from Minerva Santiago. So sabi niya, maybe yung topic sis na bakit may mga nanay na nagiging martyr at nag-i-stay pa rin sa isang relationship kahit unhealthy na for the reason lang na gusto nila na buo sila.
So what's your take in there since it's a
Oh,
motherhood? I mean, I have
motherhood.
my own opinion when it comes to that one, but
Um,
as a
Akin
mother
kasi,
standpoint.
kasi sa atin kasi like hindi ko siya na-experience but going back na lang sabihin mo siguro sa mga past relationship,
Yeah.
mga ganyan, 'di ba? Honestly, if it doesn't align your ano talaga your values or pag wala na yung respect, wala na yung love, alam
Mm-hmm.
mo yon, and then it's so toxic na to the point na nakikita na ng mga anak nyo na nag-aaway kayo lagi.
Yeah.
And the question is, parang sasabihin ko talaga sa sarili ko, is it really worth it na i-keep ko itong relationship na to? Kasi mapapasan mo kung ano man yung trauma ng relationship na yan sa mga anak mo.
That's true.
Ang magsasuffer is yung mga anak mo, hindi lang ikaw. And
Yeah.
I think if you wanna watch, like madami akong mga in-interview na mga babae na nanggaling sa mga ganyang relationship.
Yeah.
Watch their story, guys. May kanya-kanya talaga silang take about sa situation. Yung iba talaga nagstay sila hanggang napagod na lang sila.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Parang
That's true.
pinaglaban nila lahat yung kailangang ipaglaban sa relasyon na yon.
Yeah.
But going back sa mga previous na relationships ko, I'm like, I'm not gonna settle for less. Parang ganon. If this guy don't value me, then why would I, alam mo yun, stay in this relationship,
Yeah.
'di ba? So, naniniwala din kasi ako na may tamang taong nakalaan para sa'yo talaga, na
Mm-hmm.
re-respetuhin ka the way, like how you respect your values and belief para
Yeah.
sa sarili mo din. Kasi babe, para sa akin talaga, like, pag hindi ka na talaga nirespeto, parang, alam mo yun, wala na ring growth sa relationship na yan. 'Di ba? And it's parang, alam mo yun, magiging toxic na lang din yung environment not only for you,
Yeah.
but also for your kids if you have kids. Just for the sake of may masabi lang na buo kayo.
Yeah, I think marami na akong naririnig na ganyan talaga eh. They're
Yeah.
holding into it because of the kids, yung relationship na yun. Sabi mo nga kanina na parang,
Mm-mm.
para lang may masabing buo kayo, di ba? But I
Yeah.
think that's a very, very wrong. Obviously, as a person talaga, you have to do everything in your power to fix that relationship first. Pero pag hindi nagwo-work, don't let it be like that forever. Kasi nakikita talaga yan ng mga bata eh. Nakikita ng mga
Oo.
anak mo.
Silang collateral damage, no?
Exactly. They become the collateral damage, and that's very, very dangerous because you're normalizing something that is not supposed